New technology at Mercy Health System receives a high honor alongside technology powerhouses Google and Intel. Mercy is recognized among the world's best for data innovation. Improving Mercy Health System's patient care in a way that's saving more lives involves qualified people and a systematic approach called clinical pathways.
Pathways are a standard set of processes that a patient with a particular condition will go through from the time they get admitted to the time they get discharged. And the reason we have pathways is because so many physicians practice so many different ways. If you have 100 different physicians practicing 100 different ways, what you'd like to do is take the best of each of them and figure out what the best overall pathway would be.
But that no longer relies entirely on people, as Mercy introduces machine intelligence from a company called Ayazdi.
Ayazdi, through its data mining, will pick up those statistically significant steps that could lead to improvement that a human being simply looking at data would never pick up on its own. The idea will be eventually that we can lift data from electronic medical records and using this application that we're developing with them to truly define what best care looks like for any patient population in any system.
Pathways is streamlined to include everyone involved in patient care.
It is what is the physician going to do, what's the nurse going to do, the physical therapist, what's going to happen in the operating room to you.
Dr. Seth Barbanel is Mercy's Vice President of Clinical Performance Acceleration. He shows us how patient information is submitted and stored in the clinical pathway software. He explains how Ayazdi's algorithms are helping Mercy redesign patient care. It's been 3 years in the making, introducing the advanced data innovation over the last year.
The important part of this is I was told, in no uncertain terms, not to focus on dollars, to focus on quality. Let the doctors do what they need to make the best quality of care for the patient. The belief was you remove variation, you focus on quality, the dollars will come. And it's very rewarding to see that actually happen. So we actually started on a quality improvement, process improvement journey, not a let's save money. But it was a belief of senior leadership that the money would follow, and it did.
Saving money and saving lives.
We have a coronary artery bypass graft, typical open heart surgery pathway. It is used between 95 and 100% of the time. So the surgeons built it, they really like it. Last year there were 199 patients who weren't on the pathway. They had a 2% mortality rate. The 784 patients who are on the pathway had a 1% mortality rate. That's a 50% reduction. That's a pretty significant improvement in care. And when we looked at a direct variable cost, it was approximately $2,400 per year less. Now you'd expect going from year to year to be a 3 to 5% increase in cost. We had a $2,400 drop in cost and lower mortality.
And the results have not gone unnoticed as Mercy is paving the path for an all-new Pathways initiative. Computer World honors Mercy for data innovation, making smart business decisions using big data. The St. Louis-based healthcare system is among only a few dozen recipients of the 2015 Computer World Data Editor's Choice Award. Mercy is ranked right up there with technology powerhouses Intel and Google. Dr. Barbanel says he's surprised as he has yet to publish results from this very recent innovation.
I'm smiling here, but even the award caught me by surprise. You know, I just go in and do my job because I like this. This is what I do, and I think it's wonderful. It's a great way for a doctor to help patients, and I still get to see patients, so I haven't given up my practice. So I get the best of both worlds. I get to take care of patients in my office, and then I get to build these things that take care of patients I never even get to see. But I don't think about the awards or the publications or the talks, which I'm being told now I got to start thinking about. So now it's a whole different part of my body and brain I got to start using. But no, we have not published this. We need to.